Hi everyone, welcome back to Chiaki's Recipe Lab. This is continued anchovy recipe. I love Caesar salad, so when I make this dish, I always want to eat more. You can use pre-made mayonnaise too, because this recipe I'm making in Japan. Also, we are going to use fresh raw egg. So if you can't get the fresh egg, you can mix with pre-made mayonnaise. Here are the ingredients: anchovy, raw egg, onion, garlic, lemon, soy milk, vegetable oil, and salt and pepper. First, we are going to make grated garlic and onion. You can also mix with mixer too. Make sure this one is grated well. And add anchovy and lemon juice. In the mixer, we are going to add egg yolk, lemon juice, anchovy, and grated garlic and onion. If you can't find fresh egg, mayonnaise ingredient is those three. Add salt and pepper and mix it first. And 1/3 of oil. Mix it until combined. Add the rest of oil and soy milk. Mix it until smooth. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Yummy! Yummy!
In the next video, we will continue YAKUZEN Recipe series. So make sure to check it out. See you then. Bye!